nice. This is real pattern recognition right now, because what's going on is like people don't understand this doesn't take like a lot of time. This most likely take between 30 to 45 minutes. If you could take 30 to 45 minutes off your day, right, to do pattern recognition, which is this training, and take about 10 to 15 screenshots, or just put a timer and just do 30 minutes and see how much you could get the most out, like a game. um if you do that every single day for the next 30 to 60 days, you will see drastic improvement in what you're looking for in the market. Because not only that, you're taking screenshot of a pattern that you think is good, you're sending a pattern to me, someone who's been trading the same pattern for like 4 years now, 3 years and a half now, right? You're getting access to quick fix. So, because since you're doing more, you're going to be corrected more. And since you're being corrected more, your progress is going to go way faster. And if your progress is going to go way faster, you see in the pattern and you understanding the market and what you're looking for every single time comes up easy. So this is why pattern recognition is important to do every single time. Now you can do pattern recognition by yourself, but you don't know if the pattern is good or not, because you haven't been doing it long enough to see it. And not only that, when you're doing it by yourself and you start seeing loss coming in, you start not doing the homework anymore. You start just backing off because the loss is affecting your habit. If you have somebody to tell you that, yo, this is how you do it, you'll feel way better to actually continue.